Today I'm going to unbox and review this Boult Audio BassBuds X1 or Boult Space Earphone. Welcome to my channel, this is Ashutosh Nirmal, and if you are your first time, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when new videos uploaded. Let's start.
Here's the box. First, check the box details. Here's the earphone picture with the model name. I don't know why Boult has different names on the website and on the box. Here are the features. It's priced at $999, but you can get this under $500. Let's open this. First we have large and small ear tips and wings or hooks for support. Here's the earphone. This earphone totally made up of plastic with a metallic finish. Ear loops hold earbuds steady in your ears. The cable is Kevlar covered to provide better protection. It's more than 4 feet long. Here's the mic. Here's a single multi-function button. Button's quality is good. Here's angled 3.5mm jack. Build quality wise, cable is strong. It's not tangle free cable, but still it won't be tangled easily. Ear tips fit into ears perfectly, and these wings provide better stability so it won't fall off easily.
You can use this for hours without any problems.
Here, mic provides clear sound even in noisy environment.
As this earphone fits perfectly in your ears, it provides very good noise cancellation. Now comes to the sound quality. It produces loud and clear sound with good amount of bass. Bass is quite balanced in this earphone. It's not too high or too low. Sound is quite good considering the price. So finally, should you buy this? I would say if you want to buy a good earphone which you can use for hours without any problems, fits perfectly in your ears, comes with loud and clear sound with good amount of bass, you can definitely go for this one. But if you are into very heavy bass, you have other options in this price range. If you want to buy this, I'll leave the best buy link in the description. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions about the product or have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Till then, take care. Goodbye.